Materials you will need for this colour mixing lesson are your sketchbook, a pencil, an eraser, 3 primary colours, red, yellow and blue, a paint palette, a paintbrush, a pot of water and a round cup to draw around. To add to that, don't forget a painting apron or an old t-shirt to stop your clothes from getting spoilt, and also an extra piece of paper to test your colour mixing on. Okay, grade 5, so we're going to refresh your revision on colour mixing today. You can see on this page that I've got 3, 6, 9 circles that I've drawn with a plastic cup. I've just used the bottom there and a pencil to draw around my cup. So you can start out drawing the 4 circles in each corner if you like, and then filling in so that you know you've got enough space. Try to make sure that there's equal distance between these 2 points here. Now, we're going to revise our primary colours, which are red, yellow and blue. On the left hand side, we're going to paint red, yellow and blue. Now on the opposite side, I'm going to paint yellow, blue and red. Now we've got our finished colours, we've got our primary colours, and then we've also got these colours waiting to be mixed. The objective is to mix each colour in the middle so it creates what is called a secondary colour. A secondary colour is made when you mix the primary colours together. So I'm going to bring my paint palettes over here, and I've got these ones in the middle so that we can actually test how our secondary colour is going to look. Make sure that you've got your water pot close by, and we're going to just test before we mix the colour what it looks like. So I'm going to take a dab of red, I'm going to wash my paintbrush, and I'm going to take a dab of yellow. See what happens to the red and yellow once we start to mix. Okay, it's making a nice orange colour. Now if you want it a little bit lighter, you can add more yellow. And I'm quite happy with that secondary colour, orange. So we're going to put that in the middle of red and yellow, as these are the 2 that we've just mixed. Try to keep your painting as neat as possible, staying within your lines. Using a round tipped paintbrush will help with that. Now, what colours are we going to mix next? Yellow and blue. Any idea, guys, on what secondary colour that will make? Let's find out. So let's take our dab of yellow. I'm going to take a little bit of dark blue. And I'm quite happy with that colour already. That has made a green. So we're going to paint our green, which is secondary colour. And finally, blue and red. Any ideas what secondary colour blue and red will make? Let's find out. So I'm going to take a dab of red, a little bit of blue. Blue is a very strong colour, it's a lot darker, so I tend to just use a little bit when I'm working with dark colours when mixing, because it can be difficult to reverse dark colours. So I'm quite happy with that purple. And again, if you want it a bit darker, you can always add a bit more, which I'm going to do here. And that's made a darker purple. And there you have it. That is our page on colour mixing, just to refresh your memory. When it comes to mixing colours, it's very important that you know how to mix colours. And finally, guys, to finish the task, you need to label the colours on the page in front of you. P stands for primary colour and S stands for secondary colour.